Hello everyone, welcome to my power trends class. In the today lecture, we'll discuss about the two transition model of ACRs. Means how ACR will be formed by the combination of two transistors. Already you know transition is the combination of two type transistor, that is NPN transistor and PNP transistor. That means ACR is a combination of NPN transistor plus PNP type transistors. How? Focus on here this is the structure of ACR. That means ACR it is a four layers, that is PN and three terminals, that is anode, cathode and gate, and ACR have three junctions J1, J2 and J3. Okay, is the p type materials, n type material, p type materials and n type materials, means फोर लेयर्स. अगर हम उसको स्प्लिट कर देंगे, डिवाइड करेंगे, तो हमको टू टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रांजिस्टर मिल जाएगा. वन इज एनपीएन ट्रांजिस्टर एंड दूसरा इज पीएनपी टाइप ट्रांजिस्टर हमको मिल जाएगा. हियर हाउ, लिसन केयरफुली. हियर द p types materials remain same and n type materials remain same. अगर बात आया दिस n मटेरियल एंड p टाइप मटेरियल्स, देखो उसको स्प्लिट कर दो, बीच में उसको कट कर दो. कट करने के बाद दो n शेप मटेरियल हमको मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, उसके बाद दो p टाइप मटेरियल हमको मिल जाएगा. फिर लास्ट में क्या मिल जाएगा, p n p लाइक दैट, एंड अनदर इज n p n n p n. मिल गया हमको टू टाइप ऑफ ट्रांजिस्टर, वन इज PNP एंड NPN. मीन्स नाउ अब जब हम उसको फिर ऐड कर देंगे तो वो ACR बन जाएगा. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ कम्स टू इट सिंबॉलिकल. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव टेकन इन द फर्स्ट ट्रांजिस्टर, दैट इज PNP transistor, name is T1, means transistor 1, and this NPN transistors, that is NPN transistors, namely transistor T2. Here it is represent two types of transistor, one is PNP, another is NPN transistor. Now हम क्या करेंगे, उसको देख के उसको हम जैसे वो जैसा है जैसे हम उसको ऐड कर देंगे. अगर हम कनेक्ट करेंगे तो देखो, in here this is the p material is connected to the anode, so I connect this PNP's p material with the anode. Okay, now comes to second p materials is connected with the gate. Now second p material, now connect, second material is on here, now connect it with the gate, connect with the gate terminals. Now lastly n type material is connected with the cathode. Okay, so in the NPN transistors, n material, n terminal is connected with the cathode. Now connect the n material with the cathode. Is that clear? Again बीच में जो रहेगा उसको हम अभी कनेक्ट करेंगे. मीन्स जो PNP में जो n टर्मिनल है और NPN में जो n टर्मिनल है वो दोनों कनेक्ट हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, नाउ कनेक्ट n टाइप मटेरियल विथ दिस सेकेंड n टाइप मटेरियल्स. Again this p type material connect with this p type materials. Now the p types connection connect it. नाउ हम क्या करेंगे, देखो एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. जो PNP ट्रांजिस्टर है उसमें एमिटर वेस कलेक्टर्स. सो जो एनोड में जो करंट फ्लो हो रहा है वो IA एज इट इज एमिटर टर्मिनल, सो इसमें जो करंट आ रहा है दिस इज कॉल्ड एज IE1. 1 मीन्स ट्रांजिस्टर 1, IE मीन्स एमिटर करंट. सो नाउ अगेन in the transistor 1 is the base current, so we can say this is the current flowing in this terminal is IB1, and lastly current flowing on here is IC1. Is that clear? Now comes to transistor 2. So it's the collector terminal. So current flowing through this is the IC2, and the current flowing on over here is IB2, and so IB2, and current flowing over here is IE2. And gate terminal is on here. So gate current flowing through this. This is the IG, and this is the IK. By looking this diagram, we can say means IA is equal to IE1. I can write IA is equal to IE1, or you can say IB1 is equal to IC2. IB1 is equal with IC2. IB1 is equal with IC2, or you can say IC1 is equal to IB2. IC1 is equal to IB2. IB2, that is IG, that is, so no, that is not IG, it is IG. Then on transistor 2 can say IE2 equal to IK. IE2 equal to IK. IE2 equal to IK. Okay, so what is alpha and alpha 1 and alpha 2? Alpha 1 is the current gain of transistor 1, and alpha 2 is the current gain of transistor 2. Is that clear? Now हम क्या करेंगे, उसको डिराइव करेंगे. उसको क्या करेंगे, डिराइव करेंगे. The expression डिराइव करेंगे how transistor model can represent a ACS. Okay, we know that the relation between emitter current and collector current, that is IC equal to alpha IE plus IC BO. Okay, IC equal to alpha IE plus IC BO. Here IC equal to collector current. IC equal to collector current. IE equal to emitter current. Okay, alpha equal to current gain, and ICV equal to leakage current. Is equal to leakage current. Now this is the main. Now comes to similarly, if IC equal to alpha IE plus ICBO is the main function. IC equal to alpha IE plus ICBO. This is the relation of IC and IE. Now हम उस रिलेशन को देख के हम दिस ट्रांजिस्टर में IC निकालेंगे एंड ट्रांजिस्टर 2 में भी IC निकालेंगे. So in transistor 1, now in transistor 1 IC equal to how much? IC equal to alpha 1 IE1 plus ICBO. Okay, by looking this relations, IC equal to alpha E plus ICBO. So in the transistor 1, IC equal to alpha 1 IE1 plus ICBO. You can say IE1 is equal to IE1 is equal to IA. IE1 equal to IA. Instead of IE1, we can write IC1 equal to alpha 1 IA plus ICBO1. This is the equation number 1. Is that clear? Now, similarly, the IC-IE relations of the transistor 2. Again, in transistor 2 क्या होगा? IC2 equal to alpha 2 plus IE2, alpha 2 into IE2 plus ICBO2. नाउ अब क्या होगा? जो IE2 है, इंस्टेड ऑफ IE2 वी कैन राइट IK. Yes or no? So that implies IE2, instead of IE2 we can write IK plus ICBO2. Now over here IK, listen, IK means we can write IK equal to IA plus IG. Yes or no? Or that implies we can write alpha 2 instead of IK, IA plus IG plus ICBO2. This is the equation number 2. Is IK equal to IG plus IA. IG plus IA. Okay. Now अब क्या होगा? Equation 1, equation 2. This is our IC2. Now we can say here IC2 equal to IB1. Yes or no? IC2 equal to IB1, or we can say IC2 equal to IB1, or we can say IB1 equal to IA minus IG. Yes or no? IA minus IG. IC minus IG minus IC2 equal to equal to I1 IC2 equal to IA minus IC1. IC2 equal to IA minus IC1. Now, focus on here. IC2 equal to, or you can say IB1 equal to IA minus IC. Yes or no? IB1 equal to IA minus IC1. So we can write IB1 equal to IE1 minus IC1, or we can write IU instead of IE1, we can write IA. Now IA minus IC1. Instead of IB1, we can write IC2. That implies IC2 equal to IA minus IC1. Now putting the value of IC2 and IC1 over here, we can write IC2 equal to that much. IC2 equal to now putting the value of IC2 over here. IC2 equal to alpha 2 equal to alpha 2 into IA plus IG plus IC BO2 equal to IA minus put IC1 value over here, alpha 1 IA minus IC BO1. Now compare this. Alpha 2 IA plus IG alpha 2 plus IC B02 minus IA minus alpha 1 IA plus IC B01. Now taking common to IA, जब IA कॉमन आ जाएगा तो क्या होगा, अल्फा 2 माइनस 1 माइनस अल्फा 1, sorry, plus alpha 1. Now rest part is IC BO2 plus alpha IG alpha 2 plus IC B01. Now अब क्या करेंगे, IA को एक पार्ट में रखेंगे और जो बच गया उसको हम दूसरे पार्ट को ले लेंगे लास्ट में. फाइनली IA इक्वल टू फाइनल दिस इज IG alpha 2 plus IC B01 plus IC B02 by alpha 1 plus alpha 2 minus 1. So this is the final answer, the expression of the two-stage transition model of ACR. By looking this, we conclude that when alpha 1 and alpha 2 means current gain is unity value. If the current gain is unity value, that means this is value plus alpha 1 plus alpha 2 equal to 1, then the value will be I1 will be how much, क्या होगा, जब वो 1 हो जाएगा 1 minus 1 that means 0 means वो infinity हो जाएगा, suddenly infinity हो जाएगा, means current IA current will be increase करेगा, जो IA current है वो क्या हो जाएगा, increase करेगा, suddenly increase करेगा. P N anode gate cathode means सडनली जब वो इसका वैल्यू 1 जब बन जाएगा तो क्या होगा, IR वैल्यू सडनली इंक्रीज हो जाएगा। मीन्स जब वो सडनली इंक्रीज होगा तो बैरियर जो है वो टूट जाएगा, तो टूट से ना क्या होगा, वो कन्वर्ट कर जाएगा, मीन्स वो लैचिंग हो जाएगा, मीन्स टर्न ऑन कंडीशन को आ जाएगा। ठीक है, दिस इज द ओवरऑल द फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ ACR, that means the two transition model of ACR. Okay, if you have any doubts you may ask me on the comment box. Okay, that's all about today class. Thank you.